Alright, you guys, I'm gonna give you my mostly liked post, which was the Happy Mother's Day posted on May 12th, which is my mom. So shout out to my mom and Mr. Them 1064. So follow my mom. Alright, here we go to Shadow. Shout out to life_God_me_well27, which is my best friend Chris. Shout out to Mallory.person. Shout out to El Rosa. Shout out to Sahan Magic. Shout out to Skinner Jake, my other best friend. Shout out to Ben Conderone 4. Shout out to Dante_Legacy. Shout out to Jay Brown. Shout out to Mr. M 1064, which is my mom again. Shout out to Julian_Ramirez 15. Autumn Taylor Mitchell. Haley Ham Sandwich. High_Qualit 220. Amy SCB. Shout out to Darkskin_17. Shout out to Miss Correa 670, which is my sister. Shout out to Sylvia_GZ66. Shout out to J Money. Shout out to Aki Buster 21, another best friend, Alexa Gonzalez. Shout out to Dave Carrasco 21. Shout out to Pierce Lechman. Shout out to David.cc. Shout out to Marcos_Dominic 3. Shout out to Jesus.mh97. Shout out to 88_Texas. Shout out to Chef Do Music, C Maldonado Ga, and ehab.ebed. That's it for the shout out for my mostly liked post. So follow me at Dave Rodriguez Magic for next shout out video.